To other news now, widespread dissatisfaction this evening with how the upgraded roadways in the corporate area have been catering to the needs of the most vulnerable. Kalisha Williams explores the issue in the second of a three-part primetime News in Focus special report, Legacy Road Projects 3 Years On.
Barbican Road, one of Prime Minister Andrew Holness's so-called legacy projects, Tuesday, March 15. Jaywalkers. The youngest, this boy waited minutes to get to the other side of the road. A woman passing by observed what's happening and assisted the boy to cross the busy thoroughfare. Just a few meters away, a pedestrian crossing.
For a busy roadway like Barbican Road, one would love to get from here to here in a few seconds, but it's not that easy.
Where the pedestrian crossing are, that's not where everyone crossing. So for instance, my grandfather, me have to walk with him 5 minutes just to go for the gas station, stop, take him time, just for him turn around, just to go across the road.
An issue too, the sidewalks. If you notice, the utility pole is smacked in the middle, forcing pedestrians to move closer into the road.
Somebody coming in a wheelchair, you have to step in on the road. The car pass you so close.
Dr. Carol Archer is Professor of Urban Planning and Public Policy at the University of Technology. She believes this is living proof that no consideration was given for pedestrians when the road was built.
The emphasis when this road was built was on the private motor vehicles as opposed to all users of the roadway, and that's unfortunate.
Now, picture this, the model of the 3 miles Hagley Park Road restoration project in 2018. Fast forward to 2022, the contrast.
Them promise to make the green area. Green area is to keep down the dust. But all me say is pure dog and mad people live on the bridge right now at this moment.
Places like Chandigarh, India, Nanning, China, Singapore and Brazil have been leading the way for incorporating green spaces on urban roads.
We do recognize that there is that outstanding work to be done, and we intend to either partner with an entity or to allow an entity to follow through and, assist in creating that space.
From no green spaces to no business. We were told some businesses at the foot of the flyover have been suffering since it was built. Lloyd Davis has been operating a shop here for over 31 years, but now this is a no-stopping zone.
Good stuff can't stop, a bread van can't stop. If I come it goes, I have to go by school to take it out. I used to sell very wonderful if we road bill. And so when the road bill, all those cut off. So you have to stay there, bounce it until you maybe can find a better.
There'll be a better tomorrow.
But when or how will things get better? Tomorrow, we look at the way forward for commute in the corporate area. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.